Hello all, today in this video I'm going to show and demo for stochastic gradient descent, which is a machine learning algorithm, and for the data set of attack classification, a CSV file. Already attack classification video is given based on SVM, that is support vector machine learning algorithm. So here we are going to see about stochastic gradient descent. The same code which we used in that only we are going, that is the libraries, the calling of the variables like x and y, and the other things is common in both the code. The only thing is differing is the algorithm and its libraries and import functions. So in the same code, in the next videos we will be working with some deep learning algorithms also. So we have imported some deep learning libraries also. So here you can see the libraries which we have imported. Then we are just calling our input, which is clean to reduce data set, and here it is the attack data set. So it is having nearly some entries, 20 or some entries. So in that only the one entry we are dropping to make the label entry, we are dropping to make in the x variable, and only the label variable will be called in the y variable, and then we are just making pre-processing for x variable. So here you can see we are having, sorry I said 20, it was not 20, it is 72. Then this is the details regarding the data set. Here you can see it is the variables or features the data set is having. In this, the last variable or the feature we are going to use as the y variable, and the others we will be using as the x variable. So I said that we are normalizing the x function. So here it is, that is the data set. Here it is normalized, and we are just making up the SNS plot for the data set. Since it is having many variables, you can see the SNS plot is somewhat not visible. So this is the SNS plot of this data set. Next, the other details regarding the data set, and it is normalized function and its description is given. Then we are just using the declaring the x train variable, x test variable, y train variable, and the y test variable by using the library train, test, and split. With the train, test, split, we are just calling the variables like normalized x and the y variable, and here we are declaring the test size as 0.225. That is training, it will take 75%, and testing it will take 25%. So if you want some other percent for training and testing, means you have to just change the test size. Then we are just calling the x train shape and also the y train shape, and then we are calling it into our um, SGD. This is the code for SVM. This you can follow up in the previous video itself. Next, this is the code for the SGD. Here you can see, here you are using the SGD classifier, and the other variables which is we are declaring within the SGD classifier includes loss, then penalty and maximum iterations, and also then we are just training the way LR, that is SGD classifier, by using two variables like x train and y train. Then we are just testing it by using the predict function and also the variable x test. Then the confusion matrix is plot along with the heat map. Then we are just declaring the performance metrics parameters like precision, recall, F1 score, etc. So here you can see this is the confusion matrix plot. So we are having nearly 7 classes in this attack work. So for 7 classes we have found out the values of the precision performance metrics parameters like precision, recall, and F1 score. Here you can see the accuracy is 0.81. With the SVM we can see its accuracy is also 0.81. So there is not much difference between the SVM and also the SGD. In the next video we can just see with some other machine learning algorithm. So if you are interested or if you want some other some other demo for any videos means, please make a description in the comment box. So if you are possible and if you are aware of it means, we will just make a video regarding it. Thank you.